big walleye. Well, all I've been able to catch so far is little northerns up to 28 inches. I'm trolling a 10-foot depth that will have weeds. They're just starting to come up, and I got a nice walleye, so I may make another pass through here. Better than them little slimers. Hooked a decent pike, I think. Haven't seen him yet though. I've had him on quite a while. Oh yeah, that's more like it. I don't mind catching them when they're over 30 inches. I just don't like all them little squeezers. It's a nice one. Probably 10-pounder. I got no leader, so I must have hooked him right in the corner of the mouth. Get away from that trolling motor. He don't want to come by. He keeps going. I have to keep running around the boat to keep him from getting tangled up in the motors. I'll go back here and get the net. See if I can get him in, take a picture at the same time. Ooh, yeah, he's a nice one. Probably 34 inches. Gonna jump? Nope. Thought he was gonna jump one more time. Alright. I only got 4-pound line, so they can pretty much do what they want for a while. When they're that size. Come on over here, big boy. Oh. There we go. Oh yeah, that's more like it. We'll weigh that one. See how much he weighs. I'll get some 10. Well, only 8. Sure looks bigger than that. Quit. A little bitty hook. It's a number. I can't get it out though. Ooh. That figures. Don't know where I put them. Don't know where I put the pliers. There we go. Alright, finally. Got him off. How big he is. 33 incher. Pretty nice fish. I'd have swore it would have weighed more than 8 pounds though. But well, sun is getting low and bottom feeders are still biting. This is 40 today. Mostly walleyes and northerns. Only got about 6 bass today, so I'll have to settle for these guys. 41 on the way in. Another nice walleye. Sun's getting low though. I got a long ways to go back home today. I'm not too far. my bait come out as soon as I got them in the net. Here's what I'm using, that little ribster on an 1/8 ounce. There's no wind, so I can get away with a light jig head. A light jig head is making a big difference right now. 2 casts later, 42 on the way in. Here we got another big walleye. I might even be using a 1/16 ounce jig head. Ooh, this is a pretty good one here. But I was using that heavier one earlier when it was a little windy and I was missing bites. They were hitting me. I went slurping it in. That's a dandy there. Ooh. That's the biggest one of the day. I think. That little jig head. I don't know if you can see it, but measure her up here. See how long she is. 26. Biggest one of the day. There's the pliers though. Got it in there pretty good. Put her back. There she goes. And away she goes. No, I think this is actually a 1/16 ounce jig head. Here's the. That's pretty little. I think that's only a 1/16, not an 1/8. And they're liking it. You should always use the lightest jig head you can get away with. You always get more bites and you hook them better too. Next cast, 43. Actually, this one hit sank about 2 feet, and one grabbed it and I missed him. And then this one I waited till it sank again, and this one bit it. And it's about a 18, 19 inch. Well, this certainly has to be one of the better walleye bites I've had. Look at this guy. Sun is getting low. I should be going home, but I guess I'm going home in the dark tonight. Look at that pig. That's a 55 fish, and it's been almost every cast here for a half hour. There's a pig. That beauty. She bit on all my other ones got bit off, so I'm down to using a heavy one with a leader. Doesn't seem to matter. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a beauty there. Measure her up. 25 and a half. Well, they're still biting on every cast. Oh, boo. Northern. I thought this was going to be a big... Whoa. I thought this was going to be a big walleye. Well, that's 61 fish. Huh, his head is like something... Wow. His head is messed up. It's all muddy or something. We'll get him off. He's nasty. Look at that head. He's frisky, you know. Looks like he's been burrowing in the mud or got a disease or something. Oh, now it came off. It must have been mud. I'll get him off. I promised only 3 more casts and I got 2 more left. So